Manual packing lines are designed for delicate products that require gentle handling. With ergonomic design and precise weighing, they support efficient work while maintaining consistent quality in every batch. Every step is designed for ease and precision, supporting both the operator and the product quality. Gentle handling preserves freshness and appearance, ensuring fruit reaches the market in excellent condition. These lines are versatile, making them ideal for strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, red currants, but also grapes, mushrooms, tomatoes on the vine, or even fresh herbs. This flexibility allows producers to adapt quickly to changing customer needs and seasonal demand. Manual packing lines deliver reliability and quality you can trust. Want to learn more? Contact us today.